Hi everyone, welcome back. It's Wednesday, and today we're going to show you how to slice a pie in half. There's a special technique that we use here at Achatz Pies. Paige is going to show you that technique. She's also going to show you how to slice a pecan pie upside down. Yep, it's really weird, but we do it and we do it well here. So here's Paige.
Okay. My name is Paige. I work here at Achatz Pie Company in Chesterfield, Michigan, and I'm going to half some pies. Starting with a raspberry double crust. First, we're going to detach the overboil from the edge of the pie, like so, and then slice right down the middle, even as you can. Make sure you get the back sides of the crust there. Then we flip, slice what we missed, and then stick a knife under one edge, carefully flip, and then into the pie container. And the other half, we can just flip right into the plastic container, like so. Close up and label. And you'll also be doing a double crust apple. Okay. Same procedure, detach the overboil. Slice down the middle. Flip. Slice again. And with some of the double crusts, you can just flip them right over with your hand. The crumb-topped pies don't flip as well that way, though. And right in there. And there we are. 4 half pies. And now we're going to slice a pecan pie. So first, we put a clean plate on top of the pecan and flip. One of our pie dividers, just to give us a guide. And then we slice. This ensures that the pecans aren't destroyed and the pie slices stay pretty. And then we flip them back over and back into the container. That's pretty much it. And with a clean glove, we close them up.
So guys, if you like this video today, please give me a thumbs up. That'll let me know that you liked it, and we'll continue to produce more content. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell as well. And we'll see you next week, okay? Bye.